Hello, welcome back. Today I have got you an awesome video to share with all of you guys, especially for those of you that own the Apple Watch, and you can get a lot of beautiful watch faces on your Apple Watch like Apple Watch Series 3, Apple Watch Series 4, Series 5 and even Apple Watch Series 6. And I think it also works on the older Apple Watch as well. You can give it a try. Now I'm gonna show you on how you can get it. So first you need to go to your phone and you need to download the app called Clockology, and you can get it from the App Store, and this app is completely free. Just go to the App Store and then you can search for Clockology. It should be this one, so simply click on get and install it. And once it is installed on your phone, it is also installed on your Apple Watch. But if you don't see the app on your Apple Watch, you can just go to the Watch app on your phone. Just simply go to Watch app, scroll all the way down, and you're gonna see Clockology at the bottom here. Hit on install, and for some reason if it just keeps stuck like that, you're gonna go back to general and make sure you go to Apple ID, and you need to enter your Apple ID, email and password. And if it keep stuck just like that, now go to your watch. Now on your Apple Watch you need to manually download Clockology from your Apple Watch, so just go to the App Store on your Apple Watch. Then you're gonna search for Clockology. After you have typed it, click on done, and then it's gonna appear on the top, so hit on get. After that, double click on the lock button on your Apple Watch and enter your Apple Watch password. Now it is installing on my Apple Watch. I can just hit on the digital crown. Now we're gonna wait for the app. Now Clockology has just installed on my Apple Watch, so I can just simply launch it. And for the first time, before you can get this app to work, you gonna now you can launch Clockology. Now on your phone, you're gonna go to Safari and make sure you download enable beta.clock, and you can download from the link from my video description. I also provide the link as well. Now I can simply hit on download. Now hit on download one more time. It should be on the top. Now you can click on it. It will bring you to Clockology, and now it should work just like that. So you can just swipe down, and now it's good to go, and you can just sync your watch face. I can just click on watch sync and hit on sync. Then it should be send this new watch face to my Apple Watch. Here we go. As you can see, now you can see I have a ton of watch faces that are available here. So in order to download those, you need to go to a Facebook group called Clockology Fan, and I also provide the link in my video description as well. And you need to join this group called Clockology Fans, and there are a ton of watch faces available that you can download, and you can just scroll down and find the one that you like. So I'm gonna show you my favorite one. Let's say I want to download this watch face. I can just simply hit on the link. Then I'm gonna click on the three dot and I'm gonna open it in Safari. Now it will bring me to Safari. I can hit on download. Now it pop up just like that. Hit on download. Now it's gonna download on the top. Once the download is finished, simply hit on it. It's gonna automatically copy into Clockology, and you're gonna see it just like that. Just swipe down. Now hold on it. But before you send it to your Apple Watch, you need to open the app on your Apple Watch first. Now I'm gonna launch Clockology one more time. Then I can simply hit on watch sync and hit on sync. Now like you see here, I got a new watch face on my Apple Watch Series 3, and because this one is just an app, so when you just click on the digital ground, it's gonna bring you to the original watch faces. So now to keep the app stay, you're gonna just go to setting and make sure you go to general. Then you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna go to like wake screen. On this option, make sure you select on after ground press. Now for example, I'm gonna go back to Clockology. So when I click on digital ground one time, and when I just double click it, it's gonna go back to Clockology, as you can see. So the reason that we do this, we want this watch face to always show up. So it is very awesome. And thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. And then I will see you guys in the next one.